Reels and wasting time while others are making money online using AI. In this video, I'll show you how beginners are earning daily income using simple AI tools with no investment and no skills required. Watch till the end because I'll show you a real method you can start today. People are making $5 to $50 per day using this method. And the best part? You don't need a laptop, even mobile works. First, choose one method: YouTube automation with faceless videos, freelancing using AI tools, or selling digital products. Today, I'll show you the easiest one: YouTube plus AI earning method. Use free AI tools, ChatGPT for script, CapCut or Veed AI for video, and text to speech for voice. Just type, make a video script on how to earn money online, and boom, your content is ready. Now go to CapCut or any editing app, add stock videos, add AI voice, add subtitles, keep videos short, 30 to 60 seconds for YouTube Shorts. You can earn in three ways: YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, or selling your own product. Even small creators are earning because YouTube has billions of users searching daily. Want faster growth? Copy trending topics like make money online, AI earning apps, and passive income. These topics are highly searched. Let me be honest, this is not magic. You need consistency. Post at least 1 to 2 videos daily for 30 days. If you're serious about earning online, start today, not tomorrow. Comment start and I'll guide you personally. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more earning methods. Are you still scrolling